Hello, bonjour. One of the features not well known in Krita is the Pseudo infinite canvas. And what is it? It's when you have a canvas that is full of sketch like that, and you need to extend it. You can do, of course, this operation with the crop tool, but there is a feature for that. You need to pan the canvas, so here I'm holding the spacebar and I'm panning the canvas, and as soon as I reach the bottom like this, you can see on the top of Krita a little arrow here on the bar. If you click on it, your canvas will get auto-extended. So it works in all the directions. So if I pan this way, the canvas will be auto-extended, and I can paint and I can continue to extend the canvas. Of course, my canvas will become very big. Here I have 16,000 pixels, so it will lag because this is a very huge canvas. But if you have a small drawing session and you want to quickly extend your canvas, it can be a very good feature for that. I hope you learned something. If you liked the video, and see you later. Bye.